आमी आमचे डीन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आमचे सेक्रेटरी आशिल्ली मिटिंगेक आनी त्याच बरोबर आमचे सगळे आयजच्या एक्सपर्ट कमिटीचे जे आमी दर फ्रायडे आमी एक्सपर्ट कमिटी घेवन आमी रिव्यू करता की फुडल्या विकान लास्ट विकान कितें जाल्लें आसा. आनी तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आमचे डॉक्टर गीता आसा जेंचे कडेन चार्ज आसा डायरेक्टर हेल्थ सर्विसाचे डॉक्टर उदय काकोडकर, उत्कर्श आशिल्लो, तेजे भायर डॉक्टर विकास, आमचे डीन आसा. त्याच बरोबर आयज एक कॉम्प्रिहेन्सीव अशी बैठक जाली. हांव एक सांगूंक सोदतां की तरेतरेचे जे लोकांची अपेक्षा आसता मिडियाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान कांय गोश्टी आमचे नजरेक येता तेजो अर्थ ना की आमकां खबर नासता त्यो गोश्टी. आयज तुमकां सगळ्यांक हांव सांगूंक सोदतां की आमी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान आमी लास्ट वीक आमी 122चो वॉर्ड आमी चालू केल्लो, तो ऑलरेडी फूल जाल्लो आसा. आनी आयज डॉक्टर बांदेकरान डीन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान डिसिजन घेवन आमी जॉयंट डिसिजन तेणी डॉक्टर बांदेकर आनी आमी सगळे चर्चा केली. तांकां आमचो प्रेशर आशिल्लो की डॉक्टर तेणीच आमकां सोल्युशन दिवचें आनी डॉक्टर बांदेकरान आयज आमकां आनी एक वॉर्ड तयार करून दिल्लें आसा. आनी ऑप्थाल्मॉलॉजीचो वॉर्ड आमी आतां कोविडा खातीर पेशंटा खातीर वापरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आयजच्यान जातलो. आयजच्यान काय 1-2-3 दीस, कित्याक प्रत्येक कडेन प्रत्येक वॉर्ड जे आयज ऑलरेडी तुमकां खबर आहा 3 कोवीड डेडिकेटेड वॉर्डा इन एडिशन 122 आहा. पोस्ट ऑपरेटीव कोवीड पॉझिटिव्ह पेशंटा खातीर स्कीन डिपार्टमेंटाचो वॉर्ड आमी घेतलेलो आसा 30 बेडेड. त्याच बरोबर ऑप्थाल्माचो आमी वॉर्ड घेवन ते 3-4 दिसां भितर आमी ते कमिशन करतले. आयजच्या दिसा म्हाका दिसता कोवीड हॉस्पिटलान कितले पेशंट म्हाका दिसता टोटल बेड सगळे ऑक्युपायड जाल्ले आसा, एक स्पेस ना. आनी पयर कोणी तरी फोटो दिल्लो, तुमकां हांव ऑनेस्टली सांगता की अचानक जेन्ना केस पेशंट वाडटा मागीर परिस्थिती अशी जाता की खंय ताका बेड, बिकॉज वी कॅनॉट जस्ट एडमीट देम एनीवे. कांय लोक जमनीर शीट घालून दितले, ही खरी गोश्ट. आय एम नॉट डिनायींग द फॅक्ट एट ऑल. आनी म्हणून हांव तुमकां एक सांगूंक सोदतां की अशें जेन्ना जाता आमकां मागीर एग्रेसिवली फास्ट ट्रॅकार एडिशनल फेसिलिटी करपाची गरज पडटा. आयज आमचे कडेन जे आमी पयलीं आमी विचार करताले की नॉर्थ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल पळय थंय ज्या तरेचो पेस आहा, आयज ओल्ड हॉस्पिटल चालूच आहा. त्याच प्रमाणे आमी खंय तरी आयले रिपोर्ट आमकां नॉन कोवीड पेशंटाक कोवीड पेशंट बरोबर आमी ट्रीट करूं शकना. आमी जीएमसीन आमकां कितलो त्रास आमकां खबर आहा. त्याच बरोबर आमी क्रिटिकल पेशंट्स आमी जीएमसीन ट्रीट करता, डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द डॉक्टर. आनी त्याच बरोबर आमी आमच्या ESIC हॉस्पिटलान आमी पेशंट एडमीट करता, ते बी मॉडरेट एंड हाय रिस्काचे पेशंट आहा. आनी तेजे पेक्षा आनी चड जर कितें आसलें तें गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान आमी तांकां ट्रिटमेंट दिवपाचें केलां. सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल डॉक्टर आनंद, सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल बेसिकली वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विथ अ फेसिलिटी ऑफ अराउंड 250 बेड्स. हांवें फाल्यां इन्स्पेक्शन तांकां करून घे म्हूण सांगलां. आनी ते डॉक्टर्स आमचे कंटिन्युअसली वयता कित्याक ऑक्सिजनाचे मॅनिफोल्ड आनी इतर कांय गोश्टी मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हे बी कंटिन्युअसली म्हाज्या संपर्कांत आसून आमी मॉनिटर करतात प्रत्येक गोश्ट. आनी GSIDची जे आमकां सहकार्य घेवन आमकां ते बेगिना बेगीन कमिशन आमी ऑलरेडी फ्रायडेचो दीस दिल्लो, कदाचित 1-2 दीस फुडें फाटीं जावं येत. आनी त्याच बरोबर हे जेन्ना आमी चालू करतात आमी विचार आमकां करचो पडटा फक्त चालू करप बेड घालून पेशंट ट्रान्सफर न्हू, आमकां वेगळे तरे कडल्यान डॉक्टर्स उपलब्ध करचे पडटा. आमकां सिनियर रेसिडेंट, ज्युनियर रेसिडेंट्स आनी आमचे एक्झिस्टींग डॉक्टर्स आमकां तांकां थंय डिप्लॉय करचे पडटा. DHSंतल्यान आमी ऑलरेडी 10 मेडिकल ऑफिसर्स डिप्लॉय केल्या. एक हेल्थ ऑफिसर जो आहा जो चेस्ट फिजिशियन ताका आमी सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान आमी ताका डिप्लॉय करतले. डॉक्टराक सांगला ताबडतोब ताका इन्स्ट्रक्शन दी, बाकीचे गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्मेलिटीज आमी कंप्लीट करतले. त्याच बरोबर आमी हे सगळे फेसिलिटीज लोकां खातीर करतात. पयर एक कितें तरी कन्फ्युजन जाल्लें सोडेक्सो आमी जेवण जें दितात इट वील बी फॉर ऑल द पेशंट एंड अटेंडंट ऑफ दॅट पेशंट हू इज देयर विथ हिम. सो बेसिकली चीफ मिनिस्टर क्लियर दॅट फायल ऑल्सो येस्टरडे आनी मुख्यमंत्रीच्या सहकार्यान ही फेसिलिटी बी चालू जातली परत. आनी त्याच बरोबर जे कोण आमचे स्टाफ बी आहा तांकां सगळ्यांक योग्य तरेचे न्युट्रिशन हे सगळें गावतलें आनी ही गरजेची गोश्ट आहा. आनी आयजच्या दिसा आमी पळयल्यार पेशंट आहा तेजो अटेंडंट आहा तो खंय वयतलो आनी अटेंडंट म्हणजे फॅमिली मेंबर तेजो. आनी मेन म्हणजे हे सगळें जेन्ना करतना आमकां एक वेगळ्या तरेची लोकांची आमकां काळजी आहा म्हणून सरकार हे सगळे गोश्टी करता, लोकां खातीर करता. आयज आमी पळयता की कोवीड केअर सेंटराचे एकदम असिम्प्टोमॅटीक केसीस आनी मायल्ड केसीस आहात ते थंय आहा. आयजच्या दिसा सगळे तुम्ही पळयल्यार फ्रॉम लास्ट वीक टू नाव सडनली स्पायक जाल्ले डेथ्स, पूण तेजेर आमी आयज बुलेटिन दितना ब्रॉड डेड म्हणून बी कितें आमी दिल्ले आसा, नाजाल्यार लेट आमकां रिपोर्टींग जाता त्यो केसीस. आनी म्हणून संख्या अशी दिसता. लोकांनी बी खंय ना खंय आमी परत परत तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान लोकांक सांगता की तुमी टायमशीर सिम्पटम आयले की ताबडतोब हेल्थ ऑफिसराक कॉन्टॅक्ट करा, हॉस्पिटलाक कॉन्टॅक्ट करा. पयर ESI हॉस्पिटल कितले लोक आफ्टर दे एक्सपायर दे आर ब्रॉट टू द हॉस्पिटल. आनी मागीर आमच्या बुलेटिनान जेन्ना आमी कितें केलां की मॉर्टॅलिटी बुलेटिन म्हणून काडिल्लें आसा, एक्सपर्ट कमिटीची एडवायज आशिल्ली, तुमी सगळे मिडियाक तुमी पब्लिकाक म्हायती आसूंक जाय की मॉर्टॅलिटी कित्या खातीर जाता. कांय लोक इतले उशिरा येता की 3-4 वरां भितर तेंचे डेथ जाता. कारण दॅट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू इवन ट्रीट दॅट पर्सन बिकॉज दॅट पर्सन इज ऑलरेडी कम एट सच अ लेट स्टेज. And there is no reason why when we have facilities in the state of Goa, as Manipal Hospital घेतल्यार ती फूल हा, विक्टर घेतल्यार ती फूल हा, SMRC घेतल्यार ती भरल्या. म्हणजे हे सगळे गोष्टी. आनी एक सांगता तुमकां की गोवा राज्य एकूच राज्य हा जे खंय आमी ह्या तरेचे इतले लाखांनी रुपया पर पेशंट आमी खर्च करता. एक पेशंटाक हॉस्पिटलान दवरप म्हणजे भरपूर खर्च हा. आनी भरपूर खर्च आमी प्रत्येक कोवीड पेशंटाक जेका ट्रिटमेंट त्या तरेचे दिवंक जाय दिता. पर्चेस कमिटी कॅबिनेटान अप्रूव्ह केली, डीन चेअरमन हा, त्याच बरोबर डॉक्टर गीता काकोडकर मेंबर सेक्रेटरी हा. आमी HFNO आनी इतर कांय गोष्टी जे कितें आमकां जाय आशिल्ले अल्ट्रासावंड मशीन तांकां सगळें सांगलेलें आसा की कॅबिनेटाचे अप्रुवल जे गावल्या हे सगळे मशिनां बेगिना बेगीन प्रत्येक हॉस्पिटलान दवरचे. ऑलरेडी ऑर्डर दिल्ले आसा म्हाका दिसता 70 HFNOचे. आनी गरज पडल्यार आमी आनी घेतले. पूण त्याच बरोबर आमकां हाय फ्लो ऑक्सिजनाची फेसिलिटी प्रत्येक हॉस्पिटलान उपलब्ध करून दिवपाचें काम आमचें चालू आहा. व्हेंटिलेटर 192 ऑलरेडी इन्स्टॉलेशन जाले. त्याच बरोबर जें कितें लागता आनी जें कितें आमकां हे कोविडा खातीर टक्कर दिवपाक आनी कोविडाचे डेथ्स कशे कमी करपाक आमचे डॉक्टर दीस रात काम करता. डीन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान पयर एक सूचना केली. आमची चर्चा सदांच जाता, रोज जाता. आमचे कडेन बी मेसेजी जायत्यो येता तेन्ना हांव तांकां डॉक्टर उदयाक नाल्यार डिनाक नाल्यार डॉक्टर विश्वजीत फळदेसाय मागीर नाल्यार आमचे डॉक्टर अनार नाल्यार फोंड्याचे डॉक्टर विकास हे सगळे डॉक्टर. आतां आमी कितें केलां, दीपा कुरिया जे आहा ती मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडंट आसतली फॉर ओल्ड हॉस्पिसियो एंड सावथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल. आनी आमचे नोडल ऑफिसर थंय 2 आसतले, सुनंदा आमोणकर आनी राजेश पाटील. हांकां बी हेंची चर्चा जाल्ली आसा. आमचे परत एकदां आयज डीन कडेन बसून आमी तें डिस्ट्रिब्युशन करपाचें, स्टाफ डिस्ट्रिब्युशन, डॉक्टर्स डिस्ट्रिब्युशन कशें करतले आमी तेजेर तेंची मिटींग जातली. आनी एक तुमकां सांगता, हांव तुमकां लोकांक केन्ना सगळ्यांक दिसता की सोंपी गोश्ट आमकां तें सावथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल चालू करूंक जाय. आमी आवटसोर्स एजन्सी कडल्यान 70 लोक आमी मागले आनी 70 लोक. आनी आयज कोविडच्या टायमाक मनीस 11-12 हजाराक तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर काम करूंक सोदिना. गव्हर्मेंटान कितलेय जायरात घातली म्हणून जे पोस्टाक पयलीं 4000 लोक येताले आयज 80 लोक बी येना काय 50 लोक बी येना. आनी म्हणूनच तुमकां सांगता की आयज आतां कांय डेंटल कॉलेजाची नर्सीस आमी घेतल्या, तांकां आतां गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान आमी डिप्लॉय करतले. त्याच बरोबर ESIC हॉस्पिटलान गरज पडल्यार थंय डिप्लॉय करतले. पूण त्याच बरोबर तुमकां एक सांगूंक सोदता की ह्या तरेचे रिक्रुटमेंट आनी पयर कॅबिनेटीन आनीक एकदां आमकां लॅब टेक्निशियन्स आनी वेगवेगळे लोकांचे आमकां सहमती दिल्ली आसा, सँक्शन दिल्लें आसा, जे आतां बेगिना बेगीन एडवर्टायज घालून तांकां रिक्रूट करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आमी गोवा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्साक सांगलेलें आसा की 3-3 लोक प्रत्येक हॉस्पिटलान कोवीड हॉस्पिटलान डिप्लॉय करा. म्हणजे सगळे रेकॉर्ड्स जे आहा ते डिजिटायज जावन सगळे रेकॉर्ड पेशंट डेटा आमकां योग्य तरेन आमी मेंटेन करूं शकता. पयर डॉक्टर बी आशिल्ले, रेवती मुजुमदार बी आशिल्ली, तिका बी सांगलां आमी की तुवें ह्या तरेन काम करपाची गरज आहा. आनी म्हणूनच आमी ह्याच तरेन आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय. आनी एक म्हणजे तुमकां सगळ्यांनी हांव विनंती करता, सरकार जें कितें करता आनी अवेरनस, पेशंट अवेरनस की बाबा सिम्पटम आयल्यार ताबडतोब तुमी हॉस्पिटलान वचपाक जाय. आनी हांव एक अश्युरन्स दिता की खंयचोच मनीस जमनीचेर उरचो ना. डिनाक बी आमी विनंती केल्या, गरज पडल्यार रातोरात जर डिसिजन घेवंक जाय डिसिजन घ्या. कारण लास्टाक गोंयचो लोक स्पायक कदाचित काल परत एकदां आयला 600, 700 म्हणजे पयलींच्यान प्रिडिक्शन आसतलें की गोंय राज्यान आमकां 25-30 हजार केसीस सप्टेंबर एंड पर्यंत जावन वयतले. आनी इवन गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाचें प्रोजेक्शन हें हांव प्रोजेक्शन तुमकां पयलींच्यान सांगत आहा. आनी म्हणूनच म्हाका आमी मुख्यमंत्री, हांव, सगळे आमचे डॉक्टरची टीम, डीन आमचे डॉक्टर बांदेकर, आमचे बाकीचे सगळे डॉक्टर आनी आमचे हेल्थ सर्विसीचे डायरेक्टर आनी सगळे काम करता. आमच्या गोंय राज्यान आमी पळयलां की प्लाझमाचो उपयोग आमकां भरपूर, आयज पेपरान पळयतलो आमी आमच्या प्लाझमाचे आमी ट्रिटमेंट चालूच दवरतले. आनी एक फेरेसीस मशीन आमी घेवपाक हांव सांगलां डिना कडेन चर्चा म्हाजी जावपाची आहा, कारण आमकां आनी एक मशिनाची गरज आहा. ते आमी मशीन थंय प्लाझ्मा कलेक्शना खातीर आमी वापरतले. आनी एक म्हणजे गोंय राज्यान आमी प्लाझ्मा थेरपी आनी रेमडेसिविराचो कॉम्बिनेशन केल्यार खुबशे पेशंटाक तेजो फायदो जाला. आमचे स्वताचे डायरेक्टर जेन्ना तेंचे सॅच्युरेशन देंवताले तेन्ना आमी तांकां 2दा आमी प्लाझ्मा दिल्ले आसा. आनी आयज तुमकां खुशी जाता सांगपाक की आमचे ओवरऑल जे आमचे डोनेशन जे आहा प्लाझ्मा डोनेशन ड्रायव्ह, आनी हांवें तुमकां अश्युरन्स दिल्ले आसा की आमी कॉल सेंटर एक नोट घालून एक कॉल सेंटर आमकां एक्चुली ह्या मंडेच्यान नाजाल्यार ट्युजडेच्यान कांय नर्सीक बसून 2-3 सद्या शॉर्टेज आहा, पूण तांकां बसून नाल्यार 104च्या माध्यमांतल्यान प्रत्येक फॅमिलीक तेंची हिस्ट्री, तांकां योग्य तरेचे ट्रिटमेंट एंड इन एनी हॉस्पिटल दॅट इज देर अंडर मेडिक्लेम वी वील सी दॅट वी अंडर गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आमचे एक्सपर्ट्स तांकां सगळ्या तरेचे ट्रिटमेंट ते डोनर्सांचे फॅमिलीक दिवपाचे आमी ऑलरेडी ठरयल्ले आसा. आनी मेन म्हणजे कित्याक जे कोण फुडें येता आयज आमकां गरज आहा, आयज कितेंय रिपोर्ट येवं, पूण त्याच बरोबर आमचे डॉक्टर्स हांगाचे आहा, आमी जे अनुभव घेतला, डॉक्टर डिसाचे अनुभव घेतला, 2दा जेन्ना प्लाझ्मा दिली आयज तो स्टेबल आहा आनी तो बरो आहा. आनी मेन म्हणजे ते रेमडेसिवीर दिली प्लस प्लाझ्मा 2दा दिली इन अ गॅप ऑफ 24 hours 24 hours 2 प्लाझ्माचे पॅक्स ताका दिले and then his saturation improved and today is stable. So basically this, just because there is somebody saying that it does not help, that doesn't mean we are going to stop using plasma. We find that plasma is working for our patient. Somewhere as a state, we and our doctors will, what is their comfort zone and what they are finding results with what they are doing, we will go by that as far as the state is concerned. And main म्हणजे प्लाझ्मा बाकीच्या राज्यांत कदाचित कठीण आसूं पण आमच्या राज्यात लोक फुडें येवंक लागल्या. आयज आमचे कडेन कमीत कमी 70 पॅक्स आहा. फाटीं आमी जेन्ना तुमचे कडेन उलयताले आमी 7 काय 10 पॅक पर्यंत पावल्ले आनी खात्री आहा की आनी लोक फुडें येतले. आनी लोकांची एक एकदम बरें दिसता की आयज ते म्हणटा आमचो फोटो घालात, आमी प्लाझ्मा दिला, म्हणजे आनी बाकीचे लोक एनकरेज जातले. आनी हें आमी चालूच दवरला सोशल मिडियाच्या कॅम्पेनाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान, आमचे GMCचे पेजच्या माध्यमांतल्यान. तुमी जे मिडिया आहा ज्यांचो एकदम म्हत्वाची एक भुमिका आहा, कारण तुमी जो पर्यंत तुमच्या एडिटोरियल्स आनी तुमच्या पेपर्सच्या माध्यमांतल्यान तुमी लोकांक जो पर्यंत सांगना की हे जे सिम्पटम्स आहा, तुमकां थोडे तरी सिम्पटम्स रावले आनी प्रोलॉंग जाले, ताबडतोब तुमी डॉक्टर कडेन वचपाची गरज आहा. आनी एक गोंय राज्याचे मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आनी आमचे डीन कडेन चर्चा करून आतांच सेक्रेटरीक हांवें सकाळीं आमी अवेरनस दिल्ले आसा की प्रत्येक मनीस आमी डेटा डॉक्टर उत्कर्श कडल्यान घेतले, जो कोण होम आयसोलेशनान आहा, आमी एक नवें एक पॅक म्हणून चीफ मिनिस्टरचे हस्ते आमी ते रिलीज करतले. ते पॅक आमी हांकां कोणाक ते आमच्या प्रत्येक होम आयसोलेशनाच्या पेशंटाक दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आमी आयजूच परचेस कमिटी ते डिसिजन घेतले. आनी मेन म्हणजे कितें आहा ते पॅक ह्या तरेचो आसतलो, फ्री ऑफ चार्ज फॉर दॅट पेशंट हू हॅज ऑप्टेड फॉर होम आयसोलेशन. And we are expecting number of home isolations to increase. As the cases go up, this will increase. So as a state, and it is not possible, we don't want anyone to procure anything. What we can do for them at a different level of care and at a different level of taking care of the people, with the blessings of the Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, we have taken a decision, both of us jointly yesterday, that this thing is very important for us to do, and Dean had a big role to play in that, in suggesting what should be in the part of the pack. So we are going to create a pouch, and in that pouch it's going to be a pouch and it's going to have a thermometer, which is a digital thermometer. It's going to have an oximeter, which is going to have a OLED digital display, including batteries, other things which are there. We'll be giving one N95 mask. We'll be giving 3 triple layered masks in that, disposable gloves, premium spirometer for breathing exercise, respirometer, lung exercise, and other whatever is related to that spirometer to check the capacity. Sanitizer, one sanitizer, a pouch of protection wipes, vitamin C supplements, vitamin D supplements, zinc supplements, and hydrochloroquine tablets. So these are going to be the pouch that is being approved by the Honorable Chief Minister, and through his blessings we are going to be launching this to every home isolation patient. This is not something which is given in any state in the country. This is the first state. Goa will be the first state to launch this type of initiative, and this is being done with the support of the Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and I want all of you to understand is that the amount of money that we are spending on every patient is one of the highest in the country as far as Goa as a state is concerned. And today,
Is it going to be free?
I just said it's free. And also second thing is that we are passing, the purchase committee will take a decision which is the best combination, and they will see that all high-end products are put inside, so that गांवान बी जर मनीस गेल्यार त्या मनशाक बी गावतले, ताका मागीर हेल्थ ऑफिसर गायड करतलो कशें यूज करप तें कितें करप. And this will not, each and every person who registers for home isolation will receive this pouch. And this is the first state to take this type of initiative. Why I am doing this and why we have taken why Chief Minister and we came to a conclusion that this is required with the advice of the Dean, Goa Medical College, is because in the villages also sometimes these things don't reach. And then we have to maintain the saturation level, oxygen levels, all these things which are there. This is going to be done in a very planned manner. We will be distributing all this through the PHC. With Dr. Utkarsh and his team, they will intimate the PHC once home isolation, the standard procedure. And these packs will be distributed then from the PHC, from them to that particular patient in that particular area. So this will be very monitored, very minutely by the government and the expert committee. And we thought, we just mentioned it to the expert committee today, and they were very happy with this type of a thing, because nowhere in the country this is being done. Goa will be the first state to do this, and I am grateful to the Chief Minister for having sanctioned this and to approve this idea of reaching out to the people, taking care of the people at the grassroots level. Even a man in the village will get an oximeter if he is under home isolation. He doesn't have to procure anything. And that is how this government wants to work. The government is for the people and by the people and always will stand by the people. आमकां कितलोय खर्च जाल्यार आमी लोकां खातीर कितें करूं शकता ह्या कोवीड टायमान, आनी कोवीड टक्कर दिवपाक हे करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आनी हे सगळे आमचे फाल्यां परत हांवें सांगल्या प्रमाणे फायनल आमचे इन्स्पेक्शन सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलचे जातले. थंय बी जे कितें फेसिलिटीज जाय, ESI हॉस्पिटल योग्य तरेन चल्ला. तुमी पळयल्यार मॉर्टेलिटी स्लोली देंवपाक लागल्या, आनी आमकां आमचो चॅलेंज आहा हे मॉर्टेलिटी कशें देंवपाक. And आमी mortality दिवूंक शकता if the people also come on time. Because when we report a mortality in a mortality bulletin, we have to report a person even who has come dead to the hospital, who has expired early and brought dead to the hospital and COVID positive. We are totally transparent. There are some articles which are floating which they say that we are hiding in data. There is no point of time any data has been hidden by the health services. For us, we are actually saying, I am telling you today that the spike may go even to 1,000 cases a day. We don't know. And this is happening because there is community transmission. And as a result of which, then if a member of a family gets infected, other members get infected. But only thing is identifying yourself immediately. If you have any symptoms, get yourself checked. Check. If you have come in contact with any kind of a person in Goa, we are doing all free testing. If you have come in contact with somebody who has turned positive, you know about it, immediately go and get yourself tested, so that you can opt for home isolation. So basically, in case you come positively, at least you come positive. And discipline should be there. If you have come in contact with somebody, till you get your reports, you should isolate yourself. So this is how we are going forward. As far as the statistics goes and functioning of the ESIC hospital, I am very happy with Dr. Kakolkar and Dr. Vishwadit Fardesai were doing a good job there. And also now Dr. Vikas and other team of GMC under the Dean. All this is coming under the Dean and DHS. Both are jointly doing it. And through his supervision, each and every aspect is...
biochemistry tests being done in number of tests. About 90,000 tests are done in biochemistry.
And as Dr. Uday Kakulkar and ESIC and laboratoryचे आमकां डिटेल दिल्ले आसा बायोकेमिस्ट्री टेस्ट कितले जाता and कितले जाल्ले आसा आतां पर्यंत.
90,000.
Approximately about 90,000 biochemistry tests have been done. Serology about 10,000. Hematology about 73,120. Here this is the figure which is being given. Totally about 1,70,122 such tests of different types have been done. This is between 16th March to 2nd September. And also basic investigations what are being done per week. So if you look at the figure and statistics, it's pretty high. Today I would also like to share with you our expert committee and all of us give a standing ovation to our Secretary Health who has gone on deputation to Delhi. It is her progression path in her career. We are grateful to her services and we are hoping that she can extend little bit, because she has been one of the finest officers I have worked with. And also I have tweeted also the other day, and I have also put it on my post, that we are going to miss her presence because she has been a very proactive officer. So all of us gave her a standing ovation because we thought that this is the minimum what we can do for her and the respect that we can show to her for her contribution as far as the pandemic is concerned in the state of Goa, to fight the pandemic in the state of Goa. And through the media, I would like to once again thank all of you for, if there's anything I would also like to mention to the media, if you need any clarification or anything, please feel free to contact the Dean or the Director of Health Services. There's nothing we need to hide. And also I would like to share with you that Goa has learned through its own experiences the management of COVID, and we don't need lessons from somebody else in some other state which was messed up, and then somebody comes to teach us how to manage COVID in the state of Goa. And definitely we don't need education from somebody else. We are in constant touch with international universities, we are in constant touch with so many people, and we are in constant touch with the world's topmost experts and virology experts. Dr. Bandekar has been witness with me, and I would like to share with you, Dr. Bandekar has already written, we have tied up with University of Miami for exchange program research and other things, that we are waiting for their approval so that we can do a virtual signing of the agreement, so that then we can do knowledge sharing with these people. Ultimately, now I see is that so many people are coming in trying to, after the storm is over, somebody comes to you and tells you that we are going to help you. Each Goan's life is very precious. That we knew from the beginning. We are not going to allow any Goan to lose his life. We don't need to be taught and educated by people from, especially from coming from other states where it was messed up, till the Home Minister intervened and till the Home Minister had to personally organize beds in stadiums and other things. So we don't need such education. We are pretty educated. We've got a good team of experts. Yes, we are learning. We are constantly learning, and we will have to learn on and evolve and try to fight COVID-19, because as you are aware, all of us, I want to mention, yesterday I was talking to a colleague of mine, one of my juniors in college, who's also a senior vice president in Moderna, which is an American company which was doing research on the vaccine. They don't see anything coming till next year. First quarter of next year is what they see. Then somebody else mentioned, also the news has come up that Oxford has paused the processing, going ahead with the trials of the vaccine because it had some adverse effects. They feel commercially it will only come out in the next quarter of next year. So as a result, this fight is long drawn. Many times we are all under pressure. And we are here as a government, as an accountable government to every citizen of the state of Goa, and here to fight to save the life of every citizen. For us, we feel sad when every life is lost. That's why through you, every Friday, when we meet you, we tell you what we are doing, what is new, how we are taking care of the people. Hence we thought about this POUCH system where we will provide all these things to people, and they will be monitored through our health officers, and we'll keep somebody dedicated in every PHC to call each and every patient continuously and tell him whether has he done his saturation level, has he checked it, what is it, because they have to be checked. नाल्या गांवान गेल्यार तो मनीस निग्लेक्ट करता स्वताचे जिवाक. आनी आमी एक राज्य म्हणून आमी म्हाका तरी दिसता की खुबशे राज्यापेक्षा आमी बरें काम केल्लें आसा, तरी बी हांव ना म्हणना की पेशंट अचानक जर पेशंटाचे स्पायक जाले, तो थंय रावता, तो एडमीट जालो, पॉझिटिव्ह जालो रातचो, then there is no alternative. But then I have given free hand to deal. Such a situation arises, you are free to take any decision you want to ensure such things don't happen. And as a result of which, South Goa District Hospital commissioning as a COVID hospital is very important, so that we are able to balance it out between these three hospitals. And that's it for today. One more time, I would like to thank the Chief Minister for having sanctioned this thought and this reach to the people, this connect to the people, the care for the people, by sanctioning these pouches, which they will take up in today's purchase committee and discuss and find the best way, the early delivery of this to every house and every patient under home isolation, which will change the dynamics of healthcare in the country and thought, because no other government in this country has done what Goa government is doing under the leadership of the Chief Minister. I am grateful to him for having been proactive in spite of being under home isolation and in spite of having COVID-19 and being under home isolation. We have been in contact. Yesterday I must have made at least 100 calls to him and had several files cleared pertaining to the pandemic, which he has cleared and given us. And most important is, during a pandemic, it's like a war against the unknown enemy. We don't know how it's going to react. We don't know from where they're going to attack. We don't know even how this enemy is going to attack. And what is the weapon of that enemy also nobody knows. So you don't know what you are supposed to be prepared. As a result of which, I would like to share with each one of you, we are pretty educated state, we are a very literate state, and we don't require education from people coming from states which are messed up and botched up because of COVID-19 and teach us how we should manage the cases of our people in the state of Goa. We are competent leaders in the state of Goa who are capable of dealing with COVID-19. Thank you so much.
So when is the South Goa district hospital?
फाल्यां फायनल करता ते ऑक्सिजनाचे म्हाका कन्फर्म करूंक जाय that flow of oxygen is very high is as per what is required. That's it. Once it's done, we will push in everybody.
Is there a shortage of oxygen? Because
There is no shortage of oxygen. No.
There is only one supply.
No, there is no shortage of oxygen.
No shortage.
No. I'll give it to you. I'll give you exactly breakup by next Friday. Give me a little time to, but it is pretty high compared to, if you look at any private hospital, which also that I've cleared the file for capping. So that once that comes, that will get notified. Last time Suraj had asked that question, and that was a valid question. There has to be some amount of capping. So I had already cleared and gone. I'm just waiting for that notification to be issued.
Even helpline is given has opened up over
No, they have to admit. No, other we have already CM has cleared the file for issuing suspension.
Getting a shortage of ambulance to take with COVID patients.
We are trying our best to provide care with the 108. We have got only close to around 55-60 ambulances, out of which 8 are already pulled out or 10 are pulled out for COVID duty. Now another 2 are going to get pulled out from COVID duty because of this thing, your district hospital. So that's how the things are. In order to move forward, we have to see how to.
So how many number of beds are there? Because
We will be starting. We are targeting about 250 beds there.
Because you told that coming year the cases might be increased.
Yes, so we have a capacity there to go to 566. We have got 566 oxygen vents which are required, connections which are required. So we will start with 250 and then we can go higher. We'll let us start with 250 and that capacity, that's why we selected that hospital. Because then it becomes difficult to go into a hospital which does not have this manifold of oxygen and other things, becomes very difficult to.
So, how many government employees have given them that much? 200,000.
I don't have the exact number. Police have given, from fire department they have given. I mean,
Is it encouraging?
it is encouraging because people are coming forward, people are sharing their pictures, people are sharing the images, which is very encouraging.
Can you give us statistics of how many GMC doctors have been infected by
Last time I gave already the statistics.
the total we wanted with the nurses and all that?
I had given last time with nurses, health workers, everything. If you want again, I'll share it on WhatsApp. Huh?
Sir, regarding the POS system, when will be exactly we started distributing?
In the next 7-8 days.
And if
I don't know, they'll have to call for quotations and tenders.
there are more than one person as a house distribution,
No, one is enough per family.
so you want to be giving to each person.
One per family is more than enough.
So how do you see the plasma donors?
No. There's nothing to do with it. This is what we are giving is medication and everything because in the villages.
They were giving optimism.
No, I don't know whether because I don't pay attention to some party coming and doing political activities for political gain. I have nothing to say about them. I don't even know who they are. And second thing is that as far as we are concerned, my concern is the person in the village and how do I tackle that situation in the village. My concern is not the urban areas. My concern is the person in the village. And we are not in competition with anybody. We are here to do something good for the people.